Today we are going to have a
Challenge!
Today's challenge is Who Knows Me Better. So I'm going to ask them 5 questions and they have to answer it. Who gets the more correct can choose a present from behind here. There's 100 presents behind. So we can choose how many? 2.
Two.
Okay, so now let's start. First question. What is my favorite color?
I wrote blue. And what the meaning right? I wrote pink.
Okay,
Who is
so
correct?
she got it correct. I got 2 favorite colors. I like pink and purple, but I don't like blue so much. So she gets 1 mark, you 0 mark. Okay, next question. My favorite character.
So my paper is blank.
What about yours? No, I don't like Zulan, but I like a Chinese writer.
I know.
Florence Zhou. So no marks for both. So now still remaining 1 mark, 0 marks. Next question. What's my favorite? My favorite subject.
I wrote English. I wrote it Chinese. I wrote English and science.
Okay. So she got it correct because I already said that I like a Chinese writer. It means I like Mandarin. So Mandarin is the same meaning as Chinese. So she wins and you lose. So now 2 marks, 0 marks. Last question. What color of the shirt am I wearing today? Only one answer. Only one answer.
So I wrote red. I wrote pink. So who is correct?
Yes, she got it correct. So she now got 3 marks equals 0 marks. So this round she wins. Now, a very big difference from your marks from 3 and 0. Okay, you all don't need to rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So she wins. She can go and choose a present.
Yeah. Let's go. So now I'm going to choose one present. I'll choose this.
What is this? A snack sweets. Okay, one more.
Seeing eyes of mine.
notebook, pink one. Okay. Do you like this video? If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Bye bye.